How is the practice of Shreem Brzee going to be different in the Golden Age? Well, the Golden Age is non-materialistic predominantly. But up until now, the world has been materialistic, only geared to material wealth. I've been saying frequently that wealth will be redefined in the Golden Age. Wealth is just not material wealth. It's spiritual wealth, or wealth of consciousness, of understanding, of knowing beyond matter, and that is how wealth is going to be defined in Golden Age. It's not just philosophy, it's going to be the case. What's going to happen is people will understand merit or wealth not simply in terms of bank balance or the number of houses you have, the number of cars you have, but in terms of a permanent merit or wealth. And what is that going to be? That's going to be understanding, knowledge, and understanding even beauty. And that's going to be the nature of wealth in the Golden Age.
Shreem Brzee, Brzee, Brzee.